Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix the server stumbled error code in Microsoft Windows Store. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters. Run under Windows Store Apps. Second method is right-click Start button, click Run. Type WSreset. Third method is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Windows Update Service, change Startup type to Automatic. Click Start the service, click Apply, click OK. Right-click Windows Update Service, click Restart the service. Fourth method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel, click Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click Network Adapter, click Properties. Internet Protocol version 4, click Properties. 8.8.8.8.8.8.4. Fifth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type SFC /scanno. Type DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.